If you're spending way too much on your monthly energy bill and your cooling system is at least 10 years old, then this message is for you. What if you could cut your monthly energy costs by up to 50%? You can with a new Amana cooling unit from Bob's Air Repair. Each Amana unit comes with a lifetime unit replacement warranty as well as a 10-year parts warranty. Start saving money while saving in comfort for under $100 per month with a limited financing offer from Bob's Air Repair. For more information, call Bob's Air Repair at 345-9800.